I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so open the search engine and click Settings immediately. This gets you to the controls. Once you're in Settings, find Search Settings or Privacy and look for the Safe Search toggle. That's the first actionable control. Turn Safe Search on to filter explicit results. This matters because it reduces unwanted content for all users on this account. Make sure to save or apply changes so the filter persists across sessions and devices tied to the same account. After enabling Safe Search, click Save or Apply to commit the change. Otherwise, it won't stick. If you're setting this for a shared computer, look for a lock or parental control option to prevent easy disabling that prevents accidental or intentional changes. Once done, verify other devices signed into the same account. Open the search on phone or tablet and confirm Safe Search shows active. If it doesn't, sync or re-sign in so the updated preference propagates properly across platforms. Finalize by running quick test searches to confirm explicit results are being filtered. You'll see cleaner results immediately. If Safe Search won't save, sign out and back in, or clear browser cache and cookies. That often resolves preference sync issues. Make sure browser extensions aren't overriding settings, disable suspect extensions, and try again. If problems persist, implement router-level or parental control filters as a fallback to enforce Safe Search across every device on the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.